Hello YouTube, this is Danny and Kyle again today, and today we've got another big package that's arrived.
And this one, I made a hole and it sounds like pumpkin.
It smells like pumpkin, he says, so let's give it like...
Let's see if it is a pumpkin or not.
Let's see if it is a pumpkin in it, because it does smell like pumpkin.
It's a big box.
And it's very well wrapped. They got that shrink wrap all over it.
A special sink wrap.
It is, isn't it? It's very tough, isn't it?
Help me! Help me!
Yeah.
Help me! This sink wrap is so tough to make. So tough. Take this sink wrap off.
Right.
It's annoying me to the bed. It's not letting me in this box.
Right.
With sink wrap. It's nasty.
Give me a minute. Very, very well wrapped.
Help me.
Obviously, somebody took a lot of time and care to wrap this one. Oh, the other way.
It's so tough.
Right. Got it open yet then, Kyle? Come on then.
Why?
Get it open.
Why? Get it open. And it's on video.
Yes, it's on the video. Yeah, the battery went in the phone.
And the other shown.
So.
And the other shown.
Well, that's the outer off. Now we're just going to
Cut in the inside.
want to call you have the honours to cut it. Slice it there, look. Slice it along the tape. I reckon later on you'll be an expert at unwrapping stuff.
Cut that part.
Very well wrapped. So, you said it smells like pumpkin. You've got a hose pipe there. Got a tube. Any guess what it is yet? It's shaped like a pumpkin. Scissors.
Boo.
Right, there's the scissors, look. The scissors are there.
Just rip it, sir.
Alright, rip it off then.
It's
And we have a
Hoover Constellation. Boo.
a blue Hoover Constellation.
This one looks like on the bottom. It's the newest one.
Right.
In
It's a 70s one. I think it's 19...
It's in the bag, Sharon. Take the bag in it.
It's actually in very good condition, I think. I'm pretty... They've emptied the bag first, look, that's very kind of them.
Look in the bag. Original.
That's the original bag, yeah. And the other way, mate.
I've got some more constellations. I've got another one and link on got another one on YouTube somewhere.
This one here is a... Let's have a look, let's get the date plate out.
Boom.
It's an 867A, 600 watts, 1972.
And always check the shoes. Yes.
Right. Let's get the order. You gonna check the fuse?
Yeah. Take bits of me doing it. Take
Alright.
a video.
Well, I reckon it's got the wrong fuse in it. We won't fire it up until we got the right fuse in. I've got a red one ready. Almost done. Should we show what fuse is in it? Be quite interesting now. If you get an old Hoover, first check the fuse.
This one's got a wobbly pin.
I ain't worried about that. You got a screw out?
How long that is?
That's a long one, isn't it? And what fuse has it got in it? Oh,
Sure.
it's got a...
What? What?
Oh, look.
What says?
It's got a 13 amp fuse in it again. What a surprise. Well, what we'll do, I'll cut the video now and we'll put the right fuse in. But there's the fuse. Just going to stick the back of the plug on now. Always check the fuses.
And I'll go upstairs.
I'm just doing it up now.
Look at the bottom.
Alright, I'm going to show the bottom of it.
It's got a bit of rust on the bottom. Bit rusty on the bottom.
Yeah, well, they're going to have some rust.
Bit rust. And the notary source.
It's quite clean. I mean, it's a very clean machine. I mean, it's a bit dusty.
It's running the brand new Hoover Constellations.
Right. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to switch on the machine.
Dad, here's Andrew.
It doesn't matter. They're not noisy anyway.
I've got an on it.
Right. I'm just going to... Carl's hiding now. Like he normally does. And here it goes. Is it going to go bang or is it not? Yeah, look at that, look. Smells alright, there's no smoke coming out of it. Is it blind? Yeah.
Something good?
Yeah, it's looking lovely.
Can you
Right.
turn it off?
Come on then.
Turn my ears.
Right, gonna...
And that sounds alright.
Sounds lovely, that
And
one.
it sounds better than the pink one. Sounds better than the pink one.
Sounds better than the other. It's got a different motor. It's going to have that old smell because it's got a filter on it and it needs washing.
It's an old house with...
Now he's going to... See, we're not going to use those crappy tools.
I just showed you what it looks like. It's not even going on.
No. Yeah, they're probably going to the bin.
Yeah.
I might keep the extension end on it. Right, so you're gonna plug it back in?
We're having someone want one of these. Need one some new tube. Someone need one. Maybe someone new tube bought one with no hose on it. The only one that asked is me.
So now we've got a nice set of tools on it.
This is on Constellation.
This is a 70s model. They've got a slightly more powerful motor in it.
This one. You can turn it on.
Alright, I'll get electrocuted. There. Look at it, lovely, that one, look.
Look at that better than the other one.
Oh, about the same.
How's the house? What's the suit that plate for? What's the value? Pinhead from it.
I think this cleaning out here is better than the later type square and the upside down one. It just seems to work a lot better.
This beats up Sasha now. Next say noise is pink one, that sells down a bit.
Yeah.
Come on a bit.
Right, carry on.
Bit.
little bit there, look. There's a little bit of Hoover food there.
I'm not cleaning that cell it's got on it.
Well, alright then. Switch it back on then.
I'm not cleaning that little cell.
Yeah, we're gonna turn it off.
One day I'm gonna do.
Well, there you go. That's
One day I'm gonna do these. One day.
yeah. He likes his fire alarms.
And one day I'm gonna make a video of sidearms. One
Yeah.
day. Bye. It's gone now. In. Look at what I've got some.
I think
Look what
once
I've
I get it
got,
clean,
look what I've got some on McDonald's.
and that's what we're going for McDonald's Day.
And it works. So no. Just sit. Just sit.
I think once it's been cleaned up,
Just sit the sauce in the glass.
and maybe the paintwork's been tea cutted and stuff, it'll look
The
lovely.
new sauce and poke them in there.
Were you going to say the big go?
Bye.
And
Let's go. Let's go.